Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to change your desktop wallpaper on a MacBook, quickly and easily. First, let's start with the most common method, using system settings. The fastest way is to right-click on the desktop, then choose Change Wallpaper. Your MacBook will automatically open the wallpaper section inside System Settings. If you don't see this option, click the Apple icon in the top left corner of the screen, then select System Settings. Next, on the left sidebar, click Wallpaper. Here, you'll see built-in wallpaper categories in macOS, such as Dynamic Wallpapers, Landscape, or Cityscape. For each category, click Show All to view the full collection. Simply click on any image to set it as your desktop wallpaper. Some high-resolution wallpapers may take a moment to download. For wallpapers that are already downloaded, if you want to free up storage space, click the three dots icon on the wallpaper and choose Remove Download. If you're using multiple displays, the option Show on All Spaces will apply the same wallpaper to all screens. When this option is turned off, you can set a different wallpaper for each display. The Screensaver button lets you set a separate image specifically for screensaver mode. If you want to use your own photos, scroll down to the Your Photos section. Here, you can choose photos from the Photos app synced with your iPhone, or select any image stored on your Mac. If you want your wallpaper to change automatically after a certain period of time, scroll down and look for Shuffle Aerials. Click to choose a theme, then set how often the wallpaper should change. With the Continuously option, macOS does not switch wallpapers on a fixed schedule like every 5 minutes, 30 minutes, or 1 hour. Instead, the wallpaper changes automatically when the system decides it's appropriate, usually after a few minutes or when certain system events happen. Next, I'll show you the second method, changing the wallpaper directly from an image. Right-click on any image, select Services, then choose Set Desktop Picture. Instantly, that image will be applied as your desktop wallpaper. So those are a few simple ways to change your desktop wallpaper on a MacBook. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Easy Tech Steps for more tech tips like this.